Welcome to Life Hub channel. In Know the State series, we will discuss about Andhra Pradesh today. In India's map, we can see this is the red spotted area is Andhra Pradesh. Now have some look at the Andhra Pradesh map. We can see the border states of Andhra Pradesh are Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Telangana, Chhattisgarh and Odisha. The five border states are Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. This is Bay of Bengal. Now let's have some relevant facts about Andhra Pradesh. The capital of Andhra Pradesh is Amaravati. The governor name of Andhra Pradesh is E.L.S. Narasimha. Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh is N. Chandrababu Naidu and he is from Telugu Desam Party. See the picture, he is N. Chandrababu Naidu. It has bicameral legislature. Andhra Pradesh was the first linguistic state in India and it was formed out of Madras in 1953. It is called Egg Bowl of Asia. Andhra Pradesh state has second longest coastline, that is 972 km, and it is after Gujarat. Andhra Pradesh state has second longest coastline after Gujarat. In June 2014, Telangana, this portion was excluded from Andhra Pradesh and now this portion is Andhra Pradesh and this is Telangana. Hyderabad now is the capital of Telangana and Amaravati is the capital of Andhra Pradesh. The classical dance form which originated in Andhra Pradesh is Kuchipudi and the famous textile art, that is Kalamkari, is from Andhra Pradesh. See the picture, this is textile art called Kalamkari. Important historical sites: Sri Venkateswara Swami Temple. See the picture, this is Sri Venkateswara Swami Temple. State animal of Andhra Pradesh is blackbuck and this is some related information for inquisitive mind. This is male one and this is female one. Now see the Ramsar sites. Kolleru Lake is the Ramsar sites of Andhra Pradesh. Bird sanctuary, there is Pulikat Bird Sanctuary and Nalepattu Bird Sanctuary. This is Kolleru Lake. Famous national park is Sri Venkateswara National Park. You can see in this picture, and the river you can see here is Godavari River. Wildlife sanctuaries: Papikonda Wildlife Sanctuaries, Krishna Wildlife Sanctuaries, Nagarjuna Sagar, Srisailam Wildlife Sanctuaries. Now some important dams: Nagarjuna Sagar Srisailam Dam, and this is on river Krishna, and another one is Polavaram Dam and this is on river Godavari. These were some important facts about the state Andhra Pradesh. We will be back with another state. Thanks for watching, and if you like it then please be free to like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe Life Hub channel.